First of all, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of you guys. And I wanted to take a moment and I wanted to talk about some of the comments that we're getting on Barndale Fairytale about our building system and the Sturdi-Lok OXIS or OXIS and the Sturdi-Lok panels. A lot of you are coming out pretty hard about the question related to the questions about why did we use some of the materials that we're using. And today we're going to do a little bit of a deeper dive to give you a better understanding of what it is we're doing, why we chose some of the materials that we chose, and talk about conventional building systems as well as non-conventional building systems. We're going to look at stick framing, SIPs, metal buildings, and what all this means for longevity, efficiency, weather tightness, waterproofness, and cost. How about also ease of use and ease of installation? Let's talk all those things. So the first thing, our wall system. It is Sturdi-Lok. It's a Sturdi-Lok wall built by Look Building Systems over in Colorado. Jake from Look Building Systems was here earlier today looking at our install. I wasn't able to be here because I was out with my mom for Mother's Day, taking her out to brunch, so I wasn't able to be here for that. So I'm kind of anticipating on hearing about how it went, because they met with the architect and Dylan. Our architect is Jessica Ma, and her husband is Dylan, and they kind of come hand in hand as a team, which is great for us. I love it. So why Sturdi-Lok? Why these Sturdi-Lok panels? What I'm talking about is those panels. There's some interior like this wall right here. There's some over here, right? So those are a structurally engineered wall to carry the load on the top. Your shear wall back and forth like this. And they're structurally engineered, okay? As opposed to something like this, which is conventional stick build, right? When you talk about something like this on an exterior wall, whether it's a 2x4 wall or a 2x6 wall, you see that flex in that board? You need to have shear wall, or basically you need to have OSB or plywood on the outside to make that a rigid wall. See what happens over here. Okay, ready? Didn't move, did it? That ain't going anywhere. Probably not in 100 years. So for that wall, you don't need any shear wall on the outside. You don't need to be putting on OSB or plywood. It's structurally engineered, okay? So we don't need to do that.